Hello and welcome to Replica blank guns. Today I want to show you this gun. It is the Ekol Volga, and without any further talk, let's open the box and see what's inside it. As you can see, it comes in a tiny plastic case, much smaller than the regular ones, but the gun is small itself. So here we have the gun, we have the flare adapter, we have a small catalog of the Ekol products, and we have the user's manual, which this time is for the gun that it's supposed to be, not like my Ekol Flat Compact. Anyway, let's just leave this aside and let's talk about the gun. The first and most obvious thing is that it is very small gun. It's quite compact, but for those of you who are familiar with blank guns, you know that the size doesn't matter. It's no matter if your gun is this big or, for example, like this big. You know, it acts the same way and it has the same result as the big ones. So it's a small gun for hidden carry. You know, you can put it in your pocket, in your bag. It's quite compact. It's full metal, you know, the slide and the lower parts, and the only plastic parts is the grip, the magazine cap and the trigger. It's very simple. If we speak about mechanisms, you know, you have only your safety lever in here, which is also the lever for when you're field stripping the gun, which we'll do in a while. It is a single action only gun, so that means that if you load the gun, just a second, okay, if you load the gun and pull the trigger, it will shoot, but it will not shoot if you didn't load the gun once again. So once again, I told you, here is the safety. You know, it completely blocks the trigger. On the other side, there is nothing except the other side of the safety lever, which you push in order to field strip the gun. On the bottom part is the magazine release. What you do is you just take this thing and see, the magazine pops out. This is where it usually is on this kind of smaller single action guns. The magazine contains 6 rounds and 1 in the chamber, so it's 6 plus 1. And some previous versions of the Ekol Volga had the problem for that when you load 6 rounds in the magazine, after that you're unable to get the magazine completely inside the handle, and it was impossible to work with 6 rounds in the magazine. But in here I double checked it, 6 rounds, there's no problem. So what else? Yeah, I told you that it's quite heavy. It's small, but it's heavy because it's full metal. And it is front firing blank gun, 9mm, so it uses, you know, the well-known 9mm cartridges. That was a blank, and all other kind of special blank gun ammo. What I like in this gun is that you can see the barrel is not semi-plugged, it's completely open, so it is very easy to clean and maintain. Okay, so now let's quickly field strip the gun. And what is interesting in this gun is that when you're going to field strip it, you will need an extra tool, and that's why I have my extra tool in here. You just need something sharp and thin. First of all, obviously you get the magazine out, then just load it. After that you push this thing in here. Oh, just a second, it must be on safe position. Sorry. Then you push it and you can see it pops out. You take it out and then you have the back and the forward, and that's it. The slide, the spring guide, spring holder, and there's the gun completely field stripped. The slide, like most of the decals, it's very massive, very thick, and that's good because it gives you additional reliability. The spring and the spring holder and the guide are all metal, and that's also very nice. Talking of reliability of the gun, in order to reassemble the gun, we just repeat the same procedure in reverse order, and this is where the extra tool comes in play. You see, this is the spring holder in here, and since we cannot get the lever inside, you will need some kind of tool just to get the spring holder and keep it in the front position like this, you can see. And now you just take this lever, put it in here, and the tool is no longer necessary, and there's your gun completely reassembled. So once again, it's the Ekol Volga 9mm front firing blank gun. 6+1 is the capacity of the magazine, 1 in the chamber, 6 in the magazine. Very nice gun. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. Very nice gun. Small for concealed carry, for carrying in your pocket, your bag, or wherever you want. Soon I will have the shooting review of this gun. I hope you like it. Thank you and goodbye.